Getting the docstring from a function. I have the following function. How do I get access to the docstring?
Interactively, you can display it with, or from code you can retrieve it with, surround it with print. To get a formatted output. You can also use inspect.getDoc. It cleans up the _doc_ by normalizing tabs to spaces and left shifting the doc body to remove common leading spaces.
On IPython or Jupyter Notebook, you can use all the above mentioned ways, but I go with or. For quick summary of both method signature and docstring, I avoid using as commented by @Rohan, for docstring and use it only to check the source code.
This is